Welcome to Nurse Calc, your all-in-one clinical calculator that doesn't just compute, it teaches you while you go. Perfect for nurses, nursing students, and even nurse educators who want a smarter way to teach and learn. Let's start with dosage calculations. From basic meds to IV drips and pediatric dosing, Nurse Calc gives you step-by-step guidance, so you're not just getting the answer, you're understanding the why behind it. Struggling with ABEGs? Just enter your pH, CO2, and HCO3, and let Nurse Calc's tic-tac-toe method do the work. You'll get the interpretation and a quick lesson on exactly what it means, whether it's compensated, uncompensated, metabolic, or respiratory. The Burns tool is fully interactive. Click on the affected areas. It calculates the total body surface area, then applies the Parkland formula to guide fluid resuscitation. Need to check BMI fast? One tap and done. For maternity, Nurse Calc simplifies GTPAL. It actually asks you the right questions. How many full-term births? Swing? Any abortions? Then calculates your GTPAL for you. Plus, it includes Nagel's rule to instantly estimate the due date based on LMP. And if you're tracking fluids, say goodbye to manual tallies. The intake and output chart adds everything for you, accurately, automatically. Whether you're a nursing student, a nurse on the floor, or a nurse educator teaching future RNs, Nurse Calc brings the math, the method, and the confidence to your fingertips. Get access to Nurse Calc and make clinical calculations the easiest part of your shift.